Exercise number 4.1, second problem, C bit. So this is the given question. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equals to 7. 9x minus 10y is equals to 12. So let us start solving the first equation. So first we have to change this into, like it is in a fraction. So we don't want that in fraction. So we will take out the 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9x plus 2 5s are 10y is equals to 7. 6 7s are 42. So like this we have to change the equation. So this is our first equation and second equation. Next, let us find out the ratio A1 by A2. So this is A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. So what is A1? 9 and A2 is also 9. 9 ones are 9 ones are. So the ratio is 1. B1 by B2. So what is B1? 10 and B2 is minus 10. So 10 ones are 10 ones are. So the answer is minus 1. So here 1 cannot be equal to minus 1. So therefore we can write, since A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2, therefore the given lines are consistent and intersecting. Let us draw the box for the first equation. 9x plus 10y is equals to 42. Here we have to substitute in place of x some number such that we should get like the number here. After sending here, it will subtract it, and the number and the remainder we have to divide with 10 so that it should be divisible with 10. So what can I take here? If I am taking 0, directly I will get 10 in the denominator. So 42 by 10 is 4.2. So we have to avoid getting such type of decimals. So first of all we have to avoid getting decimals, and if we are getting the decimals, we should get in 0.5 forms. So like this, like if I am taking in place of x 3, so I will get 9 3s are plus 10y is equals to 42. 9 3s are 27 plus 10y is equals to 42. 27 goes to that side. So 10y is equals to 42 minus 27. So 12 minus 7 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 10y, 10 goes down. So y is equals to 15 by 10. So therefore y is equals to 1 0 is there. So 1.5. 1.5. So x comma y is equals to 3 comma 1.5. For the next value, if we take other than 3 like 4, 5, 6, 7, so we will not get the number after subtracting which is in divisible by 10. So but if we take 8, then the number will be divisible. 9 8s are 9 8s are 9 8s are 72. My plus 10y is equals to 42. So this 72 goes to that side. 10y is equals to 42 minus 72. So 10y is equals to minus 30. So 10 goes down. So y is equals to minus 30 by 10. 0 0 cancel. Y is equals to minus 3. So the answer is minus 3. So 8 comma minus 3. So these are the 2 points which we have got for the equation 9x plus 10y is equals to 42. Let us solve the box for 9x minus 10y is equals to 12. 9x minus 10y is equals to 12. X, y, x comma y. So it is also the same. So that's why I can take 3 here in place of x. So 9 3s are 27 minus 10y is equals to 12. 27 goes to that side. 10y is equals to 12 minus 27. 2 minus 7, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. That is minus 10. Y minus 10 goes down. So y is equals to minus 15 by minus 10. Minus minus, as it is 0 here, so we can write 1.5. So on 3 I have got 1.5. So 3 comma 1.5. Next is, let us take 8. Why? Because 72 and 72 minus 10 is 12 is, we can write that number in the divisible of 10. So that's why let us take 9 8s are minus 10y is equals to 12. 9 8s are 72 minus 10y is equals to 12. 72 goes that side, so minus 10y is equals to 12 minus 72. So that is minus 60 minus 10. Minus 10 goes here. So y is equals to 60 by 10. 0 0 cancel. So y is equals to 6. So when we have substitute 8, we have got 6. So 8 comma 6. Now let us plot the points. I have already drawn the graph. So see here, this is the x-axis and y-axis. The highest number on x-axis is 8. So it is very easy for us to take 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So like that we have got up to 9 numbers on x-axis, and on y-axis the numbers are very small, like 1.5 and minus 3, 1.5 and 6. So that's why we can take 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on y-axis. Now let us plot these points. 3 comma 1.5. So 3 here, 1.5 is in between 1 and 2. So this one. So here we can put the point. Next is 8 comma minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is here on y-axis, minus 3. So both are meeting at this point. Now let us join this. So this line is 9x plus 10y is equals to 42. Next, let us plot this next box. 3 comma 1.5. So this is nothing but the same point, 3 comma 1.5 and 8 comma 6. On 8, y is 6. So here. Now let us join these 2 points. The solution of this is here 3 comma 1.5. Therefore, the lines are, given lines are intersecting lines. And has a solution. let us write the scale. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit.